How to activate email notifications on Happn. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can activate email notifications on Happn. For that, you'll have to open any web browser and go to happn.com. On the home page, click on the sign in button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the home page, you will see some menu at the left sidebar. From the menu, click on My Profile. This will open up a new window. Here, look for Settings section. Then under Settings, you will see Email Notifications option. Click on it. You will find their list of specific topics for which you can receive email notifications. Each topic will have a toggle button to the right. To turn on notifications or activate for a specific topic, simply click on the toggle button to switch it to the on position. This means that you will now receive email notifications for this particular topic. Continue this process for any other topics you wish to receive notifications for. Once you have turned on notifications for all desired topics, remember to click on the confirm button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.